Very pretty on this side. It's about 10 to 9 in the morning and there's absolutely nobody around here. It's tribute being around such like a crazy sort of thing, but they're me being like the only person here. Yeah! That was cool. Slightly spew-inducing potentially, but very amazing. Oh my god. What? Okay, so today is the 1st of April and today I posted my first vlog. So I came to this, I came back to a campsite I've actually already been to. It's the Easter long weekend coming up and there's just going to be like a gazillion people everywhere. So yeah, I'm going to just hang here for the next couple of days, I reckon. I got this sticker at Mount Field the other day and I heaps like it. I reckon it's sick, eh? Just about to make some dinner. Probably some like lentils or something like that, and then probably go to sleep pretty early. But yeah, I like this shirt too. The moon. And then A for astrophysical mazer. I'm heaps like happy and thankful that I don't live in a place which has like bears. I actually got taken to hospital in an ambulance because I was like severely dehydrated. That's actually happened to me quite a few times. I seem to be kind of prone to it, I guess. It was like not that big a deal. I was only there for like 2 hours, just checked my blood and put me on an IV drip. It was a bit of a wake-up call to practice more self-care stuff. Just treating myself nicely, you know, not being so hard on myself. It's friggin' cold. My hair's getting like real dready. It's a bit yuck at the front, especially at the back. It's all just like thick dreads. Can you imagine a human strung up like this? So today I'm at Tasman Arch. It's like one of the craziest things I've ever seen. This is a crazy place, eh? Such beautiful textures. It's kind of like blowing my mind how pretty it is here. Such is Tasmania, I guess. I was mad. That place is called Devil's Kitchen, or the Devil's Kitchen. Don't know why. It's probably on that board back there, but that's back there now. It's good to shine cameras straight at the sun, right? We are like pretty low on the earth, I'm sure it's fine. They've really streamlined this experience coming here. It's like go in, see the thing, see the other thing, and then you get out. Someone just looked at me because I was like, get out of here. I'm gonna quick suss to see if there's any other lookouts for this kind of spot. Is this it? This looks like animal pathway. And that this is meant for humans. Do you ever just kind of wish you could like shrink to the size of like a wombat or something like that for a little bit? Just go suss a place out. Tonight I'm doing kind of like a stealth camp kind of sitch. It's just because I couldn't get a spot at a campsite, so this would be a really good time for my van to be like a camo paint or whatever. Kind of sticks out like a sore thumb, but hopefully it'll be alright. The road is like just up there, so kind of around a bend, but not really. Morning. Doing a walk today called Cape Pure, or quite Cape Hawaii, or Hoi, I don't know. Also, I just realised this morning I may have lost the charger for the batteries for this camera, my DSLR. I just ordered a new one, it's only like $30, so hopefully it gets here quick. Pretty wildly pretty spot here. I think where I'm going is like up that way-ish. Damn, that's a big bird. Yeah, I can't remember if I kind of introduced what I was doing today, but I'm doing like a hike, which I haven't really done too much of. Apparently this is like 4 hours return, so see how I go. Been walking for about half an hour. Gone up a lot of steps, but we've found a bit of flat ground, which is nice. Heaps of black cockatoos around. Birds really do have like their own sort of like local languages. They talk to each other in their own sort of like way. It's like accents in humans or something. I just went past somebody and asked them how far along I was, and she said not far, so but she said it's worth it, so apparently the view is spectacular. I just heard some young people scream out, "Wow, that's sick!" Should have worn a hat. I think there must be like a big sea tunnel or something. I can hear heaps like big bass hits. Drop the bass. Oh my goodness. Alright, how far into it? About an hour and a half. I've heard people can do this in like 3 hours. I just passed the lady, she said it was only like 20 more minutes, so. The view is getting really, really spectacular. Holy mackerel. Some really loud bird right here. swear I heard like a seal or something just then. Oh my goodness, this is so high up. Christ almighty. Made it to the end. Having a peanut butter sandwich. Oh, how is it? Maybe these people are like seal watchers or something, I don't know. Not scared. No, not even. I've come this far, I might as well see what's at the very, very end of this. Seagull.wav. Oh, there they are. Right in the middle of the screen there. Wow. That's so cool. They're just lounging out. Better get going soon. Right. It's a very pretty plant. It's amazing how we can like capture cool moments in our lives like these, like in video format. Such a mental like power that we have, you know. We take it for granted, but it's like literally unbelievable. I've got like one huge hill left basically, and it's this one. It's been such a good hike. I'm really glad I did this. It was like super tough for the first like 20 minutes, but then my body just kind of like was like, okay, we're doing this, let's just like not complain and just do it. And yeah, the views are just like so good. So good to just get out into like somewhere like this. That's what I needed. Very happy to be going down these steps rather than up. Gonna have to do some more hikes, eh? Super good activity.